Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today just to share a couple of items that I received in the mail, and I am so thankful and so grateful that I was thought about, and I am just really appreciative. Anyways, the first one is this beautiful card made by Sharing Moore or Ebony, and I love how this turned out. It is just gorgeous. So let me show you this a little bit more close maybe. Anyways, so she has a metallic paper there, and as you can see, it's really bright. So sorry about the glare, but anyways, I just want to talk about it a little bit. Look at all these little gems that she put around, and her little pine leaves, and the little bow that she also added. It is so pretty. I'm sure she done this on either on her Cricut or Silhouette. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I'm sure I seen the video, because I watch all of her videos. But anyways, it's a shaped card, at least off to the side it is. And she's saying, may the spirit of Christmas fill your heart with love, your friend Ebony. And I am so thankful for this card, Ebony. It's so pretty. It has been in my craft room since I've received it, and I am so grateful for it. And then the next item, I actually filmed this video. It's my second time filming the video. But the first one, you couldn't see a thing, and I filmed it on my phone because my earbuds wasn't working right for the speaker, and so, anyways, finally got it to working, and I have to refilm the video, so you won't get my first actions, or my first response to how I received the package. So I apologize for that. Anyways, this is from Susie. And I was not expecting this package. It is so pretty. Like I said, second time filming it. So, unfortunately, it's already open and I've already gone through it. But I love it. But anyways, this was on the package. And I thought I would cut it out to try and save it and maybe color it up. So I did cut it out with a die from my creative time, so hopefully I will be able to color that. It does have a little tape still on there, but we'll see what I can do with that. Then I'm going to start with this card. It is so cute. I love this. You know what? I think I may have. Did I send this to you? I may have sent that that whole stamp set to her, but I'm not even for sure. But that is really cute. That's really cute. But she won one of my giveaways last year. And I'm almost thinking that that's a stamp set that I sent her, but really cute. And I love the card. Oops, let me show you that. She used My Creative Times ephemera pack, and she just stuck that right on the back side there. And this might be My Creative Times envelope. I'm not definite because I don't have this envelope of hers. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? Just so cute. I hope I was in frame when I was opening that. That was the problem I had yesterday too. But anyways, look at this. It's so cute. She actually trimmed out this ephemera, and she also added some stickles on there. A little holly leaf. All of this is from My Creative Time, except for that background die set there, that embossing folder. This actual part right around here is My Creative Times. But I love, love, love it. She used that to the hilt. Love that. And then she's saying, Dear Melissa, here is a little something I made for you. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hugs and love, Susie. And then she also added a little, another little ephemera piece with a little gem on there. But adorable. I love it. And then there goes the back side of the card there. Another little ephemera piece made with warm wishes just for you by Susie. Thank you so much. Love that. We'll just set this off to a side here. And then next, I want to say this is from Scrap Diva 29. I think this is her Hershey Kisses box. I'm not definite, don't quote me on that. But anyways, I love how this turned out. Look at the little ginger on there. She did add some gems on there as well on top of that bow. And you just pull that right off. Oops. Here we go. And then it reveals the Hershey Kisses. Ah, so glad I didn't eat any yesterday, considering the video didn't turn out right. So, but I love that. So cute. And let me just set that right there. And then let me show you this box, and let me show you how this looked. Actually, the inside was wrapped in this. I think she made this and stamped everything out. That's so cute and creative. And that's what the inside of the calendar was wrapped in. But check out this box. I love it. And she did trim out all of the ephemera again. Love the bow. You got to tell me whose die set that bow is. I really like that. And she got some poinsettias going around. Love this. She did add stickles to everything as well. I love that. And little gems as well in there. Super cute. Look at that back. I don't know whose these are, but that's really pretty. But this is My Creative Times paper as well as this. I'm not sure who the box belongs to, but it's so cute. Now let me get into the calendar. Actually, that's the back side. I love this. I love this. So cute. Check out the 2026 there. I want all the little snowflakes. These are My Creative Times too. At least the snowflakes are. But I love, love, love how she put that together. Let's check out February. This is adorable. And of course, these are from My Creative Time as well as the sentiment. And actually, this might be My Creative Times as well. That background die, I'm not definite, but don't quote me on that. But love how she thought everything out so perfectly. I think that's her paper too. Just so cute. Then look at this one. Love this detail back here. Is that a die or is that an embossing folder? I really would like to know because I want to pick that up. So cute. So cute. Love that she added Happy Spring for March. Adorable. Check out the grass there. Just so pretty. So much detail. There goes April. So pretty. Love it. I'm not sure if these are My Creative Times little bunnies, but they could be. And if so, they were retired already. Little eggs there. I know this is My Creative Time. Just adorable. And then this one, love this. This is My Creative Times Birdhouse. I think this came from the Gnome Die set. Adorable. Adorable. Look at the little flowers there. And they have like glitter on top. I'm not sure if she made those, but those are super cute. And then look at June. Adorable. Now this bee is from Jaded Blossom. I know that because I have that. And there goes that other gnome die set, I think, as well. So cute from My Creative Time. Adorable. And then we're back at the beginning, but you just have to flip it over to start with July. Love that. This is perfect for July with the little fireworks in the sky. Love this. Love how you did it. And believe me, I'm so happy to get another calendar. I got one from FP Handmade last year, and I used that, and now we'll have this one for this year. So I'm so glad, and I'll have it on my desk. And then this one's August, and this is my birthday month. August 13th is my birthday, actually, and this is so beautiful. Love this. Love it. And look at this. Fall is my favorite season. And she has such an adorable little scarecrow on there. Love it. So beautiful. Look at the little, what do you call that? Ears of corn. So cute. Little crow. Adorable. Then October. And of course, she threw My Creative Times items in there again. Love this. And the little ghosts. Super cute. Got 31st marked off. Love that. I love how she did that. And she used some of My Creative Times little enamel dots as well. And then look at the pies for November. This is perfect for Thanksgiving month. Love it. Gobble till you wobble. You know, is that Cards TV stamps? Gobble till you wobble? That looked like Cards TV stamps. I used to design for her. I'm not sure though. But anyways, love these down here. I got this same pie set. And I love that her pie set down here, the little pan has so much detail on there. Love that. I think the leaves are from My Creative Time. And then here goes the last one. Santa Claus is coming to town. So cute. She added the little presents around, little mailbox, and it has December 25th marked on there. So much detail. She did add some stickles around Just so pretty. I love this. So adorable. I'm going to have the ladies linked down below. Susie, I'm not sure if you do videos, but if so, or I'll link them to your channel. Oops, and I didn't even show you the back side of this. Sorry about that. Just notice that this has a little detail on the back side. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So that's really pretty. So I have that, and let me get Ebony's card. Put her card in here. So make sure you go over and visit these ladies. You are not gonna not regret it, because they have some beautiful creations. I'll try and link Susie's Instagram on here so you can check her out over there. Like I said, I'm not for sure if she does videos, but you should, Susie, because I'm telling you, this is really cute. Wasn't expecting it. But anyways, make sure you visit those ladies. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.